Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, I woke up this morning and guess what? The air was crisp, and you know what that means? Christmas is in the air. Now I cannot wait to get rid of this fall mantle and start decorating for Christmas. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love comments, so drop me a line. Now onto my window over here. We'll be decorating that for Christmas. I always like a wreath on the window. It adds to the room. Then I will be working on the mantle. And then as you can see, I have another large window over here, and I will also be putting a Christmas wreath on that window there. I have my little helper here, Junebug, so we're going to go ahead and get started decorating. Hey guys, my mantle's all finished and ready for Christmas, so I want to share with you how it turned out, and I want to show you my wreaths on my window. They're blue and silver, and then I have another one over here. Now this year I did buy these two corner pieces. They came from Kirkland's. They're new this year. The little wreaths light up, so I think those are super cute. And then I wanted to show you how I did these Christmas bulbs. Now all you need to do is find your favorite ribbon And then I made a little bow at the top, and I used a little hot glue to glue them to the mantle. Down here, I have my candlesticks with my flameless candles. So overall, I think it came out really nice. The only thing I may do is add some more greenery to the ends of my mantle, but I think that may be it, and I may replace my little snowman. And until next time, happy decorating!